Finding the direct download for Intel high-definition audio drivers on the official Windows website can be a bit tricky, as they are not always readily available through the standard driver search. Even when browsing through various driver categories, the audio drivers might be absent. However, there is a straightforward and effective method to obtain and update these drivers directly from your system. The best approach is to utilize the Device Manager. First, search for Device Manager in your system's search bar and open it. Once the Device Manager window is open, expand the section labeled Audio Inputs and Outputs. Within this category, you will find your audio devices listed. Right-click on the specific audio device for which you need to update the drivers and select the option to Update Driver. The system will then search for the best available drivers for your hardware, which often includes the Intel high-definition audio drivers. This process ensures you get the correct and compatible drivers for your audio hardware. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.